Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be starting with the properties of determinants. This is specially in line with the NCERT Class 12 Maths book or their syllabus. It can also be useful to the others who are looking for ways to find it easier to solve determinants. So let's start. We are starting, this video will be based on property 1. What does property 1 say? It says that the value of the determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. What does this mean? We'll go word by word. The value of the determinant. Value of the determinant means when you solve the determinant and the value that you get, that remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. Means if you make the rows into columns or the columns into rows, the value of the determinant is unchanged. So you'll get the same value. So for that, first we will see the common way of writing a determinant and we'll try to find out, or we'll try to prove that. We'll go with the 2 cross 2 determinant. So the general form is A1, A11, A12, A21, A22. And if you want to take the determinant of this, what will it be? This minus this, multiplication. So this is equal to A11, A22 minus A12, A21. Right? Now what we have to do is change the rows into columns or columns into rows and find out the resultant value and see if it is the same. So what we'll do is we'll change these rows into columns. So A11, A12, A21, A22. Let's do that. A21, A22, and we'll try to find out the value of the determinant. What will it be? This into this minus this into this. So it will be A11, A22 minus A21, A12 or A12, A21 anyways. So can we say that these two are equal? Yes. You can also try this with the general form of the 3 cross 3 matrix, but I've done it with this so that you find it easier. Now we will try to solve an example for 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 using this and find out the and try to prove this property. So let's take 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5 as the determinant. Let's try to find out the value. What will it be? Again, 1 into minus 5 minus plus 2 into minus 3. So this is going to be equal to minus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 1. Now we'll interchange the rows and columns. So what will we get? 1, 2, minus 3, minus 5. Now we'll try to solve it. 1 into minus 5 minus 3 into 2, which is again minus 5 plus 6. This is equal to again 1. So we have proved it for the 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we'll go to the 3 cross 3 matrix. Determinant. And we will try to solve. Suppose we take 1, minus 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, minus 2, 1, minus 1. And let's find out the determinant. What will it be? We'll write it here. 1, 5 into -1 minus 4 into 1 minus -2 6 into -1 minus 4 into -2 plus 3 6 into 1 minus 5 into -2. Let's find out the value now. 1 minus 5 minus 4 plus 2 minus 6 plus 8 plus 3 6 plus 10. This is equal to minus 9 plus 2, 8 and minus 6 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 16, which is 48, which is again 52 minus 9. 52 minus 9 will be 43. So this is equal to 43. So now what we'll do is find out after interchanging the rows with columns what is the value we get. So what will we be doing? 1 minus 2 3 6 5 4 minus 2 1 minus 1. Okay, and then now try to find out the values. This is equal to 1 5 into -1 minus 1 into 4 minus 6 minus 2 into -1 minus 1 into 3 minus 2, because plus and minus, minus 2 minus 2 into 4 minus 5 into 3. This is equal to minus 5 minus 4, which is minus 9 into 1. So again minus 9 minus 6 minus 2 into -1 is plus 2, 2 minus 3, which is minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 minus 8 minus 15. So that will give us minus 23. Now this will be minus 9 plus 6 plus 46. So this will give us 46 plus 6 is 52. 52 minus 9 is again 43. So we have also proved it for the 3 cross 3 determinant. Can we see that both the values are the same? Now I hope you understood the property 1. In the coming videos we'll be seeing the rest of the properties so that you'll be able to find out the determinant values easily. Also, it will be easy for you to just revise the properties before your examination by just going through the videos. If you have any doubt related to this video or any other video, or if you'd like videos to be made on any of the doubts that you have, you could mention them in the comments, or if they are in the form of an image, you could send them to edututorials252@gmail.com and mention in the comments that you have sent it so that I can check the mail. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.